All right, we're checking out It's Tough to Be a Bug. Hey, are you a bug, dude? Yes, you are. You're definitely a big old bug. Hey, are you a big bug?
He's a stink bug.
Yeah. Let's hope not. So we just finished the what was that one called? It's a Bug's Life or something like that? It's Tough to Be a Bug. Hey, what happened?
A big bug poo on me.
Oh, he did? A big bug poo on him. And what did it smell like, honey?
It was pretty bad.
Yeah.
Jacob said he'd never smelled it. So.
You didn't smell it? Boy, I think he was trying to hold his nose closed when he said it was gonna do that. It smelled pretty bad. It was pretty fun. Of course, little Zilla was scared again, just like the first Mickey thing that we did. It was the 4D stuff. But I think J-Zilla was more scared this time because he was all over Mama, just hanging on her. All right, now we're in Dino Land or whatever. Yeah, Dino Land, USA, right there. It says it on that sign right there.
Gonna ride a dinosaur.
You gonna ride a dinosaur, dude? No, you're not. He's gonna ride a Barbie princess car. Yeah. You gonna ride dinosaur? All right. Now we're riding Dino-Rama, guys, and I'm sitting right behind Amy.
Hi.
You ready, Bubba? Huh? You ready? You're gonna drive us? Okay. Here we go. Look at the dinosaurs. Look at them. Woohoo! We'll ride some of that stuff later, maybe. We'll see. There's a big dinosaur. And some really awesome music. What do you think about the music, honey? It's awesome. She's rocking up. Yeah. Woo! It's pretty fun. It's pretty simple. Kid ride. You liking it, Bubba? You liking it? J-Zilla, you liking it? Yeah. J-Zilla likes this one better than the, what is it called? The dinosaur, that ride? It's got dinosaurs that jump out at you and stuff. He likes this one a lot better. That's what we're about to do. About to go watch the Nemo show. It's going to be fun. We're going to get in line right now. Right, dude?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So what all have you done so far today? Nothing, right?
Dinosaur ride.
Yeah, was it fun? Is this the Nemo line?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Here, eat it.
We're in the Nemo line.
That's how long it is?
Yeah, that's what that's why I kept telling you. Let's get to the Nemo line. You getting ready, dude? You like this show? Is this Nemo? Show them. We're gonna watch Nemo, guys. The musical. This will be your first time. You excited? You're not? There's nothing scary here.
He's just tired.
He's pretty tired, and plus, we keep taking him to shows where there's something scary, so I don't know. He might think that he's gonna get shot or something. I don't know.
Then back in. And sometimes, if you want to do it 4 times,
Come on!
okay.
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. We are in line for the Yeti ride.
Are you excited? We're gonna go see that guy. We're gonna go see the Yeti.
But scared.
No, you're not scared.
I'm excited.
I'm not scared.
I'm excited, but scared.
Oh yeah? It's gonna be really fun. If you've ridden this ride, you know what happens. He doesn't know yet. This is his first time. First time, huh? High five him. Give him a high five. There's the ride. And we're fixing to get in. Look at us. Hey, let's go. All right. Yeah. We're ready to go. Oh, around you? Okay. Here we go. I gotta keep my arm just like that. You guys ready? We're ready. Here we go, dude. Woohoo! Yeah. We're coming for the Yeti. We're gonna go get that Yeti. Woo! Woo! Hey, look at the camera, dude. This is a fun ride, guys. J-Zilla's first time. Whoa. Whoa. really tight. There's the Yeti up there. Whoa. Look around. There's the tree of life. Woo-hoo. Woo! Here we go. We're gonna drop. That's it. Woo! It's broke. It's broken. Oh no. You know what's gonna happen now? We're gonna see the Yeti in just a second. Here we go. There he is. See? He's looking for us. Fast. Here comes the Yeti. Be looking for him. I think so. Yep. Hey, all right, we're all done. What was that like? Hey. Hey. Was it fun? It wasn't as bad as you thought, was it? Hey. Was it super fast? You gonna tell mommy? I think he's a little stunned. Hey, high five. High five him.
We're about to go watch Lion King and then go eat dinner.
Yeah. So how was the ride, dude?
Mount Everest.
We just got through riding Mount Everest, and it was a blast. It was J-Zilla's first time. Here, hold it and video him.
Bridge off.
You saw the Yeti do what?
Rip
The railing.
yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Then we went forward.
You went really fast, remember? That's when we went down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then did you go backwards?
For a
Yeah.
couple seconds, remember when we went backwards?
Then the Yeti ripped it.
Yep. Yep.
Then we had to go forward.
But
Right. That's the bathroom over there.
so yeah, first time he's ridden that ride, and he did really good.
Yeah, he said he liked it.
He didn't cry, but he said he doesn't want to ride it again.
Right.
But he said it was fun.
I tried to get him to ride it with me and he said no way.
Yes. Give him a thumbs up, guys. Give him a thumbs up. We're doing dinner reservations here at Rainforest Cafe. We got a monkey up here. We got a monkey up there. What? There's a monkey? Yeah.
It's too loud.
It is. A rainbow. Hey, you like this place? Pretty cool. Did you take a nap during Lion King? Yeah.
I don't know
How do you wake up, honey?
He woke up with the lion roaring.
Show your eyes. What he did. What do you do? Come on, do it.
Okay, when he was like this when we went. So,
He was wide awake, guys. Hit that 4,000 again. Come on. Yeah. Way to go, dude. Out of time. Oh, almost to the 50. Hey, good job, dude. High five. Give him a high five.
you scored.
want to watch on TV today? What? What? I'm gonna watch you?
Here.
I can't. You're on TV. Is this a 3D TV? Huh?
Yep.
It is? Hey! How'd you do that? That's pretty cool.